Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Intel HD graphics control panel missing from desktop right-click menu. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell ex folder. Click and expand context menu handlers. Right-click new key. Copy key name from description and paste it. Open default string. Copy first value data from description and paste it. Right-click new key. Copy second key from description and paste it. Open default string. Copy second value data from description and paste it. Close and exit registry. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.